Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how to import and stylize an axonometric diagram to enhance your 2D architectural drawing set. If you are using 3D tools like SketchUp or Rhino and then switching to 2D for documentation, this workflow is for you. We will clean up the diagram, add hatches, colors, text and area tags in just a few clicks. Then we will enrich it with a mood board, place it on a cover sheet, all using Rayon Design, a web-based 2D tool for architectural drawings. Follow along by creating a free account at Rayon Design and use the template linked below. Do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let us get started. First, open Rayon Design on your browser. Once you have signed in, you can import your axonometric diagram from SketchUp or another 3D tool as a DWG or PDF file. These formats are automatically translated into editable vector files within Rayon. As you can see here, I have already created a full architectural set, including floor plans, sections, and elevations with Rayon. And now I want to add an axonometric view to the cover sheet. In my case, I will thus be importing my file directly into this pre-prepared architectural drawing set. Go to Menu, select Import, and then choose your desired file. Once it is on our workspace, we will first start with drawing the missing lines in this diagram. To help with alignment and precision while drawing, I will be using the guideline tool. Quickest way to find it is to simply type it in the command line. Select the toggle option and this will allow you to easily rotate the guideline by dragging the arrowhead. This helps align your drawing with the axonometric axis. For redrawing the elements, I will use the polyline tool, which you can easily access from the toolbar at the bottom or by clicking PL and enter. Just select the icon and then click to place points on your canvas. We will finally clean up the diagram. Delete any extra lines or unnecessary elements to keep your diagram readable. Now let us start adding the line weights, colors and textures to our diagram. First, I want to adjust the line weights. As you can notice, the newly drawn lines have a different line thickness, so I will edit their line weight to match the rest of the drawing. To do that, I select the lines and then look over to the right-hand panel. Under the Style tab, you will see options for line weight. Else, you can also simply use the Pick Style tool to match line weights and style. Next, we will stylize this diagram as a 3D zoning plan, distinguishing each area type according to color. Light green for public living space, brown for bedrooms, and dark green for the bathroom. To apply colors and textures, select the bucket tool and simply hover over the desired zone and click once to fill it. You can also further edit a filled area by using the bucket tool again to drop textures on a surface on top of the background color. This allows you to overlay the hatch. Use the Style tab to the right to further edit line weights, line color and rotation angles for your hatches. Rayon also allows us to edit the axonometric rendering by using saved styles. To save your style, simply drop the color in the desired area and from the panel to the right, click Save Style option. As you can see, it is saved here. For this model, I've already saved the colors used as styles. The benefit of doing so is that we can simply select an element containing that style and change its properties from the Styles panel to the right. The new changes will then be applied to all areas which contain the selected style. Add labels, area tags, and annotations to communicate our design intent clearly. I will write the information within the small box here. Select the text tool from the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and then type your annotation. Here too, you can use the Style tab to the right to edit your font styles and save the styles for easier access in the future. Using a mix of visual methods is a great way to enrich your drawing set and clearly communicate your design intent. In addition to 2D floor plans, sections, elevations, and 3D axonometric views, mood boards and collages are powerful tools for expressing the overall vibe and aesthetic of your project. So let us bring this diagram to life by adding a mood board here too. Since Rayon is web-based, placing images on the canvas is very simple. Just copy, paste, or drag from your desktop. If saved in some other folder, go to Menu, then select Import, and there again you have access to the different file formats you can import. Once you have imported your desired texture, you can also decide how you would like to exhibit it. You can use vertices to resize the image. Furthermore, here I am using Boolean intersect command to extract only a part of the texture in a circle and will use it as part of the mood board collage. Apart from textures, you can also import furniture images. To make work more efficient, Rayon has its own Remove Background tool too, which makes the task of creating collages more efficient. Here I will add an arrow to clearly denote the room for the mood board. You can use Style tab to the right to set line weight, stroke style, and color preferences. And this is what it looks like when it is finished. This helps bridge the gap between technical documentation and design atmosphere, giving clients and stakeholders a more complete sense of the space. Now once the diagram is ready, we can place it on a sheet in the drawing set. For this, while you can add a page and start from scratch, Rayon has another feature which will make this task easier for you. First, head to the block library. Rayon has more than 4,000 blocks, including furniture and symbols, in top, side, and front views. You can drop them into your project to use as required. While this feature is definitely very beneficial, scroll down and you will see the option Title Blocks and Annotations. This gives you access to pre-made templates, sheet layouts in different page sizes, varied architectural symbols and annotations which you can easily drag and use in your projects. For now, I will use the same title block which has been used in the other pages. Once you place your diagram on the sheet, do not forget to add a legend for clarity and readability. Use the text tool to write the required information and keep an eye on the Style tab to the right to change font styles, size, and color, or save your own labeling style. Use the Pick Style tool while filling in the colors for the legend. This not only makes the task more efficient, it ensures consistency in the colors used.
A new page can be easily added from Page panel to the left. Once a page is added, it can be resized using the sides of the sheet or the vertices. Furthermore, you can use the Style tab to the right to set the page to custom display scale and size. Once added, there are several ways the sheet or sheets can be exported as a PDF or image. For single sheet, use 3 dots on the Page panel or right-click the sheet on model space. To export or print all sheets together, go to Page panel and select the symbol here at the top. You can easily access export options for all sheets or even for a desired range of sheets.
When everything is ready, I will shuffle our pages so our recently rendered Axonometric is the cover page. Then, at the top right corner, you can select the preview button and a new window will open, allowing you to see your pages in presentation view. If you want to share your work digitally, just simply select the copy link button, which is here next to present. This generates a live URL which you can then send to anyone and they can view the drawing on any device. No further software or apps required. And that's it! You have now got a clear, stylized axonometric diagram integrated into your Rayon-made architectural drawing set. Remember, you can sign up for free at Rayon Design and use the linked template to follow this workflow and also use it for your own projects. Do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.